In this video, I will be reviewing base 44 versus Emergent AI. If you're choosing between base 44 and Emergent AI, you're deciding between traditional back-end infrastructure and AI-powered application building. Both help you build faster, but they focus on completely different layers of a product. So let's break it down and clearly so you know which one fits your project. Now, let's start with the similarities, and the first similarity that we have is built for speed. Both platforms are designed to reduce development time. They remove the need to manually configure servers or build complex systems from scratch. So if speed matters, both tools support that. The next point we have is modern product focus. Neither platform is focused on static websites. Both aim to support modern application rather than simple landing pages. That makes them more aligned with startups and digital product builders. Lastly, we have less traditional coding. Both reduce the need for deep backend engineering. You're not spinning up raw infrastructure manually, so they appeal to founders, builders, and lean teams. Now let's move on to the differences, and the first difference that we have is their core purpose. Base 44 focuses on backend infrastructure, database, APIs, and structured app logic. Emergent AI, on the other hand, focuses on AI native application building, integrating intelligent agents, automations, and AI workflows. If you need structured backend data systems, Base 44 is just better. And if you're building AI driven tools or agents, Emergent AI is more aligned for you. Next, we have AI capabilities. Emergent AI is centered around AI functionality. It's built to support AI-driven apps, workflows, or autonomous systems. Base 44 is not AI native, it's more traditional backend infrastructure. So if AI central is if AI is central to your product, Emergent AI wins, and if AI is optional or secondary, Base 44 may be sufficient. Lastly, we have use case focus. Base 44 works well for general applications that need backend structure. Emergent AI is stronger when your product revolves around automation, AI logic, or intelligent systems. So if you're building a standard SaaS app, Base 44 makes sense. If you're building an AI powered platform, Emergent AI is more specialized. So here's the simple decision, which comes down to the questions: are you building a traditional app? Then Base 44 is the practical choice. Or are you building an AI native product? Then obviously Emergent AI is the better fit. So that is what should help you decide between Base 44 and Emergent AI. So anyways guys, that would be it for this video. I hope this video helps you guys out, and I will be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.